there for the training, and tried to do one of these doors. I think I did pretty good.
How was your training today?
Oh, it was awesome. I loved it.
What did you learn?
I learned how to cover these cabinets. I did this, which was, I guess it would be a part of a table or something.
Mm-hmm.
I learned how to stretch. I learned how to use the heat gun and stretch and do this.
Mm-hmm.
What else did you teach us? Oh, this one. This was my favorite.
Oh.
That's my favorite. So it was just a basic wood piece and something similar to this, and then just covered that and stretched it.